there a penalty for filing a protest?
Not at all. No red flags, no anything. It is a standard process. I'll give you an example. We had a customer that had a case in front of the Court of International Trade that actually extended for 15 years.
Wow.
And they had protest filed, and they're just now, the court case just got settled in the last 6 months, and they're just starting to see the results of those protests come through. And so in theory, that is the same type of idea that we're talking about here, right? Protesting based on a court decision.
Okay.
There's precedent for it. It's very normal to happen. And
further reinforces the importance of making sure that you have that on file.
Yep.
Because those are so old that there's whole departments of our company that don't exist anymore.
correct.
From before they were filed.
Yeah.
And thank God they were filed, and it's all electronic because we get those emails forwarded to us when that happens.
Yep.
Doesn't matter that things have changed. It was on file.